Welcome to our work, Talk2BEV, language-enhanced bird's-eye view maps for autonomous driving. A standard BEV map used in autonomous driving only provides spatial information and does not include visual details about individual objects or the overall scene. We introduce language-enhanced BEV maps, which extend the standard BEVs by including perspective image-related information. This is the pipeline to generate language-enhanced BEV maps. We use multi-view images and LiDAR data from vehicle sensors as inputs. First, we estimate a BEV map using multi-view images using a BEV prediction network. Next, we localize various object segmentations in BEV by matching them with LiDAR scan points and projecting these points onto camera images to serve as labels for FastSAM. Using FastSAM, we create individual object crops from the perspective images. Then we pass both the cropped object image and its associated perspective image to large vision language models to generate corresponding descriptions. The object-level outputs include details such as the vehicle's type and color, status of indicators, direction of movement, and any visible text. The scene-level details summarize the background, weather conditions, and any anomalies. In the final language-enhanced map, for each object, we have its centroid coordinates, area, object-level descriptions, and background descriptions. In this example, we can see that we have added crop and background descriptions for each object to capture important information. For instance, we are able to detect the status of rear lights, identify a red light present at a crossing in a scene, and recognize text printed on vehicles. The information in language-enhanced maps is passed in an interpretable serialized JSON format to an LLM to assist with various types of user queries related to autonomous driving and scene understanding. Let's explore some demos.